Hi guys, welcome to the Finest Food channel. Today we'll be making 2 ingredient modaks for this festive season. It's a very simple recipe, so stay tuned. To make our 2 ingredient modaks, we will need to take 200 grams of condensed milk in a pan. To that, add 2 cups of desiccated coconut. Mix these 2 ingredients continuously for 15 minutes on a low flame. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Finest Food channel, and also click the bell icon to never miss an update. Add a few chopped cashew nuts to the mixture. This is an optional step. You can add any dry fruits of your choice. After cooking the mixture for 15 minutes, remove it in a plate and let it cool down a little. Once cooled, take a little mixture in your hand and shape it into modaks. Use a skewer, fork or toothpick to add lines to your modak. Your modak is ready. Decorate it with chopped pistas. You can also decorate the modaks with kesar. Your 2 ingredient modaks are ready to be served. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Finest Food channel, and also press the bell icon to never miss an update. Bye.